going on, everybody? Dusty Boy here. Let's just get into it. I'm gonna show you guys the pepper first. Look at that. He's definitely bushy. The original pepper fell off. That had that big spot on it. Here, I'll show you. Here it is right here. It's definitely, it's all pale right there. It's starting to rot. There's the blemish. But it started to change colors and everything. It's like mold on the other side of that mark. Anyways, this is the first pepper. It's good. So the good thing about this is I was looking up top here and we have some new, wait, get in there. Yeah, got some new flower buds coming up. And that means more peppers. And we got another more right here. So yeah, these ones are getting a little bit bigger down here. So I definitely don't want to wait until they start looking bad. These don't have any spots. I keep touching them and I feel like that's not, I'm like rubbing off their waxy coat, and maybe that's what gave it that blemish. That's just an opinion, you know. On to the next one. It's my potatoes. And now that I'm looking at this, I feel foolish for harvesting my last bucket of potatoes. I know the leaves were looking a lot rougher and the plant was looking stringy in areas, but I mean, I think it was normal, you know. I mean, it was my first time growing potatoes, so I'm not that mad about it. But I should have just left it going. People, good, like regular farmers, not like they're watching this, but pro gardeners and stuff like that were probably cringing to themselves watching me harvest those too early. Anyways, these are crazy because their stems and all this, I can't even talk right now. They're very like viney, but they're really hard. I mean, can you hear that? It's like I'm knocking on wood. But it's a tough plant, you know. It's very resilient. But I mean, I had no idea that the potatoes grow very. They have a very interesting life, more than mine. Okay, so I'm about to show you guys my tomatoes, but here's the thing. Around episode 3, I had started tomatoes and they died on me because it wasn't this nice weather yet. It was pretty cold, and they just I couldn't grow them for some reason. And I'll show you guys up here. Okay. Around episode 5 or 6 up here, I had put in more tomatoes and they came back real quick. And those are the tomatoes that I'm gonna show you today. All right, so these are the ones that still haven't been transplanted into new containers, and they're still fruiting and doing their thing nicely. The thing is, they haven't really filled out and really bushed up because I haven't put them in containers just like these ones. See the difference? The reason they're against these railings is because they're so heavy with all this action going on here. Look at all that. Look, ready? I'm leaning it. They're literally leaning against the fence. I'm gonna get some sticks or wires, those things you stick in the dirt to stabilize them, because they're just so top heavy, you know. Here's these ones. It looks like an eggplant, you know. All right, so here are my onions. They are looking pretty sad, except for this one. And I'm not sure, this one has some new growth coming, but I don't know what to do. I don't know if it's like the inside of the onion like rotting away, or because this one I'm definitely gonna harvest and show you guys today. But the thing is, if you look down inside, there's some new green shoots coming up. So I don't want to ruin them, but we're gonna see what happens. Look at that. All right, so let's bring up a shot of the little bulb that I planted. Yeah. My buddy gave me in the beginning. Seeds and everything to start. These are so see how small it is there. That you're gonna plant, which and I mean, I don't know. I'd say it tripled in size. That's all. Maybe I could have peeled this white stuff back right here and leave that exposed and let it do its thing. But I think I should leave this in the sun and let it cure. I don't know. Dry out maybe. So, I don't know. I'll look it up after this video, but this one's definitely a keeper. It looks nice. I know it's a small red onion, but who knows? Maybe I can make a small pizza, chop it up, put it on it. The other ones I'm definitely going to leave for a little bit. If you're watching this video and you're like, oh man, he shouldn't have harvested that yet, or you have any tips for me, leave them in the comments. I'm going to do this again, and I'll definitely, you know, have a better attempt next time, you know. Okay, that about does it, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. I have some things in the works. I have an obstacle course that I'm making for Minecraft. I'm gonna be starting a new series, a solo series on Minecraft, maybe on hardcore, maybe not, I'm not sure yet. And yeah, also I was gonna check out Minecraft Earth, and not to mention I'm writing a short film series that, you know, it's gonna have a couple episodes. Hopefully I can start working on that soon. I'm just gonna find the time.